I ask you each question, you're going to want to kind of repeat that question back to me.
Okay.
So, what is your name or the name of your business?
So my name is Nick Coplene.
And how did you hear about the workshop?
So I heard about the workshop from Carly, the wonderful event coordinator here. I called into the office about a week ago just inquiring about some services, and she mentioned that there was a great workshop that they put on every other week where they really just educate and bring a lot of value to the local business community. So I thought I might as well stop in and see what it's all about.
Very well. And what did you think about the workshop, or what did you learn?
So what I learned about the workshop and what I think about the workshop is, Manuel gives so much value, and you can really tell. And not only what he teaches, but what he preaches and what he practices as well. I really thought that he just delivered with. Can I redo that one? Or can I redo it? Okay.
Oh, it's okay.
All right. Yeah.
I
Sorry.
can edit
I
whatever.
ramble.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what I thought about the workshop, it was amazing. I can really tell that Manuel gives everything that he has into what he teaches and what he delivers to the people that come here. He really truly does care about just adding as much value as possible to the people that showed up. And you can really tell in the way that he speaks and the way that he interacts with people and in everything that he teaches. It's just really about delivering as much value as possible to the people that were here.
Awesome. And so, what do you leave here and apply, like something that you learned?
Yeah, absolutely. So what I learned here that I could actually take out and apply into business is, the three points of the triangle, right? So organic content is the key to building a long-term sustainable business online. Value-driven organic content, followed up by paid advertising, obviously to capture on people that are interested in your content, that receive value and are, getting value in what you're providing them in terms of the education or the entertainment. And then also the follow-up system that needs to take place behind that to nurture and convert those people. So it was really amazing, the 3 points of the triangle.
Beautiful. And do you think that other people could benefit from these workshops?
So could other people benefit from these workshops? Absolutely. I mean, it's a no-brainer. The fact that he does this every other week and it's free, I mean, you'd have to be crazy not to come here and to learn from one of the best in the world.
Awesome. Thank you.
Good.